How's it going, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how I build my email list literally on autopilot. So in this system that I'm using, it's a brand new system I just found, and what it does is it lets you build an email list but by using other people. Okay, so it's a really awesome system. I'm excited to show this to you guys. If you've been in my Facebook group, that I've been letting you guys know for the past few days. So I'm excited to finally release this training to you. Before we get started, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I teach you how to make money online, how to build your email list, how to drive traffic, everything like that. So if you're interested in making money online, subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and get started. So the system and the program we're going to be using is called List Leverage, okay? I'm going to go through this document and kind of let you know what it's about and how it works, okay? So pretty much how it works is you get to build your list on autopilot, and the way we do this is by leveraging other people, okay? And let me explain how it works, okay? So there's 4 tiers in this program, okay? So number 1 is the viral lead pass-up system, okay? So for example, if you were to sign up for the program and you would have a team, okay? Now that's cool is as the team is getting leads, you're getting every 5th lead, okay? So it's very powerful, guys. So let me explain. So say I sign up, okay, which I did, and then my sponsor is now getting every 5th lead. So if I were to generate let's just say 1,000 leads, okay, which I'm already getting close to that, my sponsor is getting 200 of those leads, so he's getting 20%. So every 5th lead is going up to him, okay? And so that's very powerful because let's just say I were to have 100 people under me, and each person barely got maybe 100 leads each, okay? That's 100, 20% of that is 20 leads each person times 100. That's 2,000 free email leads, guys. So you can see the power of this system. Now, you may think, okay, well, I'm working really hard to get these leads, right? But the thing is, you're building a team as well, and all your team is bringing you leads, okay? So you can see the power of this system. Now, let me show you how you can make money, and what's the point of doing this. And I got you guys covered. I'm going to explain everything. So we wrote out this document. It explains everything in detail. I'm going to go into complete detail on how this works, okay? So I mean, if you've never done affiliate or if you've never done online marketing, you know that having an email list is extremely powerful because that is traffic you own. You can literally, let's just say, like for me, I have a list of 10,000 people. I can send an email blast to those 10,000 people in 1 second, and I can pretty much send them any offer I want and make money from that offer. So that's the number 1 way you can make money, okay, is having your own list. You can send them any offer you want. And the cool thing is, like, I have a few offers that I promote, but building a list, now I'm able to kind of, they'll be familiar with me because I'll send them my videos, stuff like that, and then I'll send them offers as well. So that is like the number 1 way to make money, in my opinion, is you can send them any offer you want because that's your list. Those are your leads forever, okay? So that's the first way to make money, is obviously having your own list, okay? The second way is the multiple residual income streams, okay? So not only are you building your list, you're actually making money while you're building your list, okay? So let me explain. There's 3 income streams, okay? So the list leverage system, which is the actual system we're going to be using, you're going to be making $20 per month, okay? So everyone that signs up, you're going to make $20 per month, okay? So, you get 100 people, you're making 100 people, you're making $2,000 per month just with this, okay? Okay, so you can see the power of that. Now, there's a system in there for the autoresponders that they have to sign up for. It's $25 a month, so you get 50% of that. So everything is pretty much 50% commission, okay? So you would make the $20 a month plus the $12.50 a month, and then also traffic as well. So you're getting income from the actual list leverage system, the autoresponder system, and the traffic system, okay? So it's all into one system, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. But that is pretty much the multiple residual streams of income. Now, you can, like I said, you're going to be making money just from this, but more importantly, if you know how to send an email, if you know how to click send, you can literally make money anytime you want with the actual emails that you're going to be getting, okay? So that's the power of that. Now, you're also going to get high ticket commissions, okay? So there's a program called Traffic Authority within this system, and if people were to order traffic, sending people to your system, now you're gonna get 50% of that. So if someone were to order, like a $10,000 order, you get $5,000. So now we're talking about high ticket commission as well, which is huge. So that's number 3. Number 4 is the click cash traffic monetization. So literally just for sending people to the list, you're going to get 25 cents per click. So even if they don't even buy, so that's powerful right there. Now, this is like a win-win-win, okay? Because you're building a list, which is, in my opinion, the number one thing. I was building my list anyways, but might as well make money while you're building your list. You know what I'm saying? So you're building your list, and then you're building your team is helping you build your list. So your team is helping you out, and then you're making multiple streams of income, as I mentioned before. So it's a win-win-win. So what you're going to get in the list leverage system, okay? You're going to get all the capture pages, so you don't have to worry about Clickfunnels. You don't have to worry about building a landing page. Everything is literally done for you, like everything. Like even the emails, guys. So like you may think you have to copy an email, put it in, enter, put your link in there. You don't even have to do that. They create a system where it's literally, you literally just sign up, and then you just 1, 2, 3. Like it's so easy. Actually, let me just see if I can pull up my system real quick. So basically, let me see here. Let me log in real quick. And I just signed up for the system like literally like 2 days ago, because I was like so excited to release this to you guys. But anyways, so like step 1, build your list. You literally sign up for this, guys. It's called SendShark. It's your autoresponder, which is your email. This is how you send emails. It's only $25, but you can have 50,000 people in here. But anyways, so you build your list. That's just step 1. You set that up. Takes like 2 minutes, okay? Number 2 is you set up the high ticket commissions. So you just sign up for this guy. And then number 3, you set up your multiple streams of income. And then number 4, you just send traffic. That's literally it. You can do it in like 5 minutes. All the emails are already set up for you. Everything is done. It's amazing how easy this system is. And then let me go back to my list here, okay? So let me talk to you about the bonuses and what we offer as far as the whole system. Okay, so you're gonna get the capture pages, the lead pages. All that is done for you. The email swipes, the banners, all that is done. Okay, so like I said, you're going to have so say someone doesn't buy, okay, they enter the email, they don't buy. They're going to get a sequence of emails on, on the whole system. So they're going to get email, I think like 20 to 40 emails they're going to be getting, but you don't even have to do the emails, guys. They're going to know your name. They're going to pick your name. All that is put in the system. They already know that, and they're going to add your affiliate link in there. So everything is done completely. You literally don't do anything. It's crazy. So the email swipes are done, and then as a bonus, you're going to get like how to get traffic. So you're going to know how to get LinkedIn traffic, how to use Bing ads, how to get free ads from Facebook. So all that is as a bonus if you get in within a certain time, and then you get into the private Facebook group as well. So the cool thing, guys, I've noticed, a lot of these systems, they already have thousands and thousands of people in their group. Guys, this system is brand new, like 2 weeks old. So like you're getting in from the ground floor. So you can see the potential here of getting in. That's why I got in right away. Like if I see an opportunity that I like, I'm going to get in. Okay, so the thing is, I promote other products. I promote like Legendary Marketer. I promote HTA. I promote Joshua Elder's system. But the thing is, this is just different. This is building my list, so now I can promote those other offers, ClickBank offers, whatever you're trying to do. So that is the point of this system. It's building my leads so I can promote the offers I really want to promote. Now, I'm still making money with this because now I'm getting people to join this system because it's going to work for me. It's going to work for you, okay? Anyways, you're going to get the private Facebook group. You're going to get daily live training. You're going to get weekly presentation calls, weekly list building mastery calls, and then you also get, though this is cool right here. Okay, this is pretty sick. So you get added to this traffic rotator, okay? So if you come in as a super affiliate, and I'll talk to you about that here in a little bit, but you get put in this rotator where everyone who's a super affiliate, they get free traffic thrown their way, okay? Because they're gonna run ads, and let's just say there's 100 people as super affiliates, every person gets a shot. So then, the first 100 leads, every person gets a free visitor. Okay, so that is the cool thing about the traffic rotator. So I got on that right away. I know they're not going to keep this for very long because this is kind of, they only want like the first, like the founding members, but that is a bonus for now. So yeah, guys, this is literally a no-brainer. Like, ask the guy who brought me in, which is Victor Paredes. He brought me in, and I did not even hesitate. I was like, yeah, I am totally in. Like, if I'm already building my list, but if I can build my list even faster and have my team build my list for me, yes, I'm gonna do this. Like, this was literally a no-brainer for me. But a few things I look for when I'm looking for an opportunity. Okay, is this something people want and need? Heck yeah, people need to build their list. People don't even know how to build their list. So this is done for you, okay? I knew how to build my list. But if this is already done for me, might as well, okay? And that just makes it easier for me. Okay? Is it a setup for newbies? Yeah, like literally plug and play. Literally plug and play. Like, it's so easy. Okay, will it complement what I'm already doing? Yes, because I'm building my list. Now I can use that list and offer what I'm actually offering. Legendary Marketer, my ClickBank offers, my my six-figure income program that I'm promoting. Guys, it just helps you like promote your other offers, okay? Am I able to scale up? Yes, because you can send more traffic to them. The more traffic you send to them, the more people you sign up, the more people are helping you build your system, okay? Does the compensation effort make sense? Definitely, okay? Like, it's not even that expensive to join. I'm going to show you how much it is to join, okay? So there's two different options, okay? So the actual list leverage program, that is $49 a month, okay? So it's not expensive. It's not like super cheap, but it's not very expensive. It's literally like a gym membership, okay? So what you get is you get the back office access and resell rights to list leverage, okay? So you can go ahead and resell it as your own. And then the cool thing is you get, for every person you sign up, you get $20 a month per referral, as I mentioned in the beginning, okay? Now, this is the option that I'd recommend, and this is what the option I chose because I don't mess around. You know, I want to make some money with this, and I want to go all in. It's called the Super Affiliate, okay? Now, it's actually, I think it's so it's $400 a year. So if you break that down, I think it's like between $30 and $35 a month. I didn't do the actual math, but $400 is not that much. It's not like super cheap, but it's not like crazy expensive, like 5Gs or something like that, okay? So it's $400 a month, but the cool thing is now you're getting paid $200 for everyone that signs up under you instead of $20 a month, okay? So it's a lot more powerful. You can make a lot more money, okay? If not, then that passes up to your sponsor, okay? So it's important that you know that, if you want to do the super affiliate. Now, the cool thing about the super affiliate is you get the traffic rotator, as I mentioned right here, okay? You're getting free traffic sent to you as a super affiliate, okay? All right, so that is the first option. So that's list leverage. And remember, you're going to need an autoresponder. You're going to need SendShark, and specifically you need SendShark because all the emails are already done for you. Everything's already completely integrated and managed for you. The cool thing, it's only $25 a month for 50,000 subscribers. So, like, that's super cheap. Like, I have GetResponse as well. I have 10,000 email leads. I think I pay like $200 a month, guys. And like $25 for 50,000 people, that's pretty amazing, okay? So I have GetResponse, and then I have SendShark as well, specifically for this system, but I also use GetResponse as well. But you're going to need SendShark for this, but it's only $25 a month, okay? And then you would earn pretty much 50% of everyone that signs up for SendShark, which they have to sign up for this system, okay? And you get $12.50 a month. Now, Traffic Authority is basically, this is optional. You don't absolutely need it, but this is how they want you to buy traffic. So it's basically a system where you buy into it, and then they send people traffic, okay? So there's a $49 a month newbie package, and then a $144 a month elite package. It basically allows you to make more money if people were to sign up under you, okay? So that's the Traffic Authority. I actually haven't used them yet as far as actually buying traffic, but because I have my own solo ad guy where I buy traffic from. I run Facebook ads. I have my own list. I do YouTube. So I have ways of getting traffic. But as a newbie, you would probably use either Traffic Authority. You can use solo ads, stuff like that, okay? But they got you on traffic if you do need help with that. Okay, so like at bare minimum, how much can you get started for? Okay, so at bare minimum, it's $74 a month. Okay, so that's not too expensive. You can start building your list. People can start building your list for you. And so it's $74 at bare minimum. Now the other option as a super affiliate, it's $398 a year. So that is it's just one-time payment, and then it's yearly, which is what I did, and then the $25 a month for Sunshark. Sorry, so $25 a month, and then plus the $398. So that is your options on that. And guys, I'm telling you, this is amazing. I know that I haven't been, what's it called? I haven't done this for very long, but I've already gotten a ton of leads, and which is awesome because now I've already signed up a few people already, which is nice, and they're actually building leads for me. Okay, and my sponsor, I'm building leads for him because I'm building a lot of leads, so I'm building leads for him. So everyone helps each other out. Okay. So anyways, if you are interested in this system, guys, I highly recommend it if you want to build your list. I think it's a no-brainer. Honestly, I did it. You can see I have the system already. It's in my back office. This is mine, and I've been using it, and I'm loving it. So let me know if you have any questions. If you are interested in joining Traffic Authority, List Leverage, there's the first link in the YouTube description below. And I would love to have you guys on the team. Guys, I'm going to be doing some training as well. So if you do come in with me on the system under me, I'm going to give you guys free training for email swipes, everything like that, guys. Okay, so all these email swipes that we've created, those are actually going to be given to you as well. Okay, that's just a bonus for signing up under me. You're going to be getting, extra trainings, extra bonuses that I'm going to throw on top of that. Okay, so if you are interested, click on the first YouTube link below in the description, and let me know if you have any questions, guys. Subscribe to the channel. I hope you found value in this video, and let's grow that list. Let's make some money, and I'll talk to you soon.